Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through.
Can you install iOS 16.3 on iPhone 6, 6s, 6 Plus, 7 and 7 Plus? So let's get started. No, you cannot install iOS 16.3 on the iPhone 6, 6s, 6 Plus, iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. These older iPhone models are not compatible with iOS 16 or any version of iOS beyond iOS 15. Apple typically drops support for older devices with each major iOS update. Here is a breakdown of the iOS version compatible with these models. So basically, in iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, the latest supported iOS version is iOS 12.5.7, whereas in iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, the latest supported iOS version is iOS 15.7.x, and also in iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, the latest supported iOS version is iOS 15.7x. These models have reached the end of their software support cycle, meaning they won't receive updates for newer iOS versions such as iOS 16 or later. If you are looking for more features or performance improvements, you might want to consider upgrading to a newer iPhone model that supports iOS 16 or iOS 17.
So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.